Over $500 million gets wasted on worthless fuel additives every year, and mechanics know exactly which ones actually work versus the expensive scams sitting on store shelves. Today, I'm revealing the top fuel additives that can save your engine and your wallet, plus the biggest scams you need to avoid completely. If you want to protect your investment and get real results, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving automotive tips, and drop a comment below about any fuel system problems you've experienced with your vehicle. Fuel injector cleaners. Chevron Techron. Concentrate. Plus, this additive has been the gold standard for fuel system cleaning since before most people started driving. Dealerships use this exact product, and GM officially recommends it because it actually delivers results. The secret ingredient is polyethyramine, a chemical compound that breaks down carbon deposits and varnish buildup throughout your entire fuel system. Most cheap alternatives don't contain this crucial ingredient in effective concentrations. Techron cleans injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers while improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. I've personally seen vehicles with misfires, rough idle, and poor acceleration return to smooth operation after just one tank treatment. The chemistry works because it's designed to dissolve the exact deposits that cause performance problems in modern engines. Liqui Moly Jectron Fuel Injection Cleaner, European engines, especially German vehicles like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes, respond exceptionally well to this German-engineered formula. This additive carries TÜV approval and meets some of the strictest automotive standards in the world. Jectron targets carbon buildup with laser-like precision, breaking down deposits inside injectors and intake systems without damaging seals or sensors. High-mileage European engines that suffer from hesitation, cold start problems, or rough idle often improve dramatically after treatment. The formula enhances fuel atomization, leading to better combustion efficiency and increased power output. If your European vehicle is showing signs of fuel system contamination, this additive can often resolve issues before expensive mechanical repairs become necessary. Royal Purple Max. Clean. This isn't just another fuel system cleaner. It's a comprehensive 3-in-1 solution that cleans, restores, and protects your entire fuel delivery system. Independent laboratory testing shows fuel economy improvements up to 3.2%, horsepower increases up to 2.6%, and emissions reductions between 12 to 18%. These numbers come from actual dyno testing and certified laboratory analysis, not marketing claims. Max Clean works on both gasoline and diesel engines, making it versatile for various vehicle types. The formula includes fuel stabilizers for long-term storage, making it perfect for seasonal vehicles, motorcycles, and equipment that sits unused for extended periods. Regular use helps maintain optimal engine performance while preventing future deposit formation. Octane boosters. Boostane. Professional octane booster. Track enthusiasts and performance car owners rely on this product because it delivers genuine octane improvements, unlike cheap gas station alternatives. Most discount octane boosters barely increase octane ratings, but Boostane can raise pump gasoline to octane levels reaching 116, depending on the mixture ratio. This additive prevents engine knock and detonation in high compression and turbocharged engines where premium fuel alone isn't sufficient. The formula works safely with oxygen sensors and catalytic converters without causing downstream contamination problems. Boostane includes a mobile app that calculates exact mixing ratios based on your base fuel and desired octane level, ensuring precise results every time. For modified engines or high-performance applications, this represents genuine protection against expensive engine damage. Torco Unleaded Fuel Accelerator. This product transforms regular pump gas into race fuel equivalent, containing methyl cyclopentadienyl manganese tricarbonyl for genuine octane enhancement. Depending on mixing ratios, you can increase fuel octane from 91 to over 102, providing significant knock protection for high-performance engines. This isn't a product for daily driver vehicles, as incorrect usage can foul spark plugs or damage catalytic converters. However, when used properly in performance applications, it eliminates detonation, improves throttle response, and provides the safety margin needed for aggressive tuning. Built street cars, drag race setups, and other high-compression applications benefit significantly from the knock protection this additive provides. Diesel Additives, Hot Shot's secret every day. Diesel treatment. Modern ultra-low sulfur diesel fuel lacks the natural lubricity that older fuel formulations provided, leading to premature wear in high-pressure fuel system components. This additive restores essential lubrication while boosting cetane, cleaning injectors, stabilizing fuel, and preventing moisture contamination. The LX4 lubricity improver specifically protects expensive CP4 fuel pumps from premature failure, potentially saving thousands in repair costs. Fleet operators and long-haul truckers depend on this product because it addresses multiple diesel fuel deficiencies in a single treatment. Regular use results in improved cold starting, smoother idle, better throttle response, and potentially improved fuel economy. For diesel owners, this represents cheap insurance against catastrophic fuel system failures. Power Service Diesel Clean Plus Cetane Boost. This additive has earned its reputation among professional truckers and fleet mechanics through decades of proven performance. The formula increases cetane ratings up to 6 points, resulting in faster ignition, cleaner combustion, and improved engine performance under load. Cold weather operation improves significantly as the additive helps prevent fuel gelling and reduces white smoke during startup. Sluggish diesel engines that hesitate under acceleration or struggle with rough idle often respond immediately to treatment. The cleaning action removes injector deposits, while the lubricity improvers protect fuel system components. This product is widely available at truck stops across the country, making it convenient for professional drivers and diesel owners who need reliable results. Water removers and stabilizers. Star-Tron enzyme. Fuel treatment. Unlike alcohol-based water removers, Star-Tron uses enzyme technology to break apart water molecules and restore phase-separated fuel back to usable condition. Ethanol-blended fuels absorb moisture from the atmosphere, eventually causing fuel to separate into distinct layers of gasoline and water-contaminated ethanol. This additive prevents phase separation while providing fuel stabilization for up to 2 years. Marine engines, RV fuel systems, and seasonal equipment benefit tremendously from this protection since they often sit unused for extended periods. The enzyme action continues working throughout the fuel system, preventing corrosion and maintaining fuel quality over time. Regular use eliminates stale fuel odors, prevents hesitation problems, and ensures reliable starting after storage periods. STP water remover and fuel line. Antifreeze. This simple, inexpensive additive has been solving cold weather fuel problems for decades. When temperatures drop below freezing, moisture in fuel lines can freeze solid, preventing fuel flow and causing no-start conditions. STP's formula absorbs moisture from the fuel system before it can freeze, ensuring reliable cold weather operation. The product works particularly well in older vehicles and carbureted engines that are more susceptible to moisture contamination. At under $5 per bottle, this represents one of the most cost-effective solutions for winter driving problems. The formula also helps prevent rust formation in steel fuel tanks and protects fuel system components from water-induced corrosion throughout the year. Remember to hit that subscribe button and share this video with anyone who wants to save money on their vehicle maintenance. Have you tried any of these additives in your own vehicle? Drop a comment below and let me know about your experience. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more automotive tips that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll cover common fuel-saving myths that waste your money.